Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You've opened the document and you're ready to act. First, make sure you're signed into the Google account that has commenting or editing permission. Otherwise, you can't remove comments. Next, scan the text for the highlighted passage or the small speech bubble at the top right. Click the bubble or the highlighted text to open the comment thread. Once the thread appears, pause to read the context. Deleting without reading can lose important feedback. Now you'll finish the middle steps. If the comment is addressed, click Resolve to archive it. This preserves the history but clears the sidebar. If you must remove it entirely, click the three-dot menu inside the thread and pick Delete. That permanently removes the comment from the document. Make sure you understand the difference. Resolve hides but retains history. Delete erases. Also, when typing a reply, use Ctrl+Enter to save and quickly move on. Finish up by confirming the change. After resolving or deleting, refresh the document so collaborators see the update. Make sure they also refresh. If you couldn't delete, check your access level. Viewers cannot remove comments. Commenters can only reply. Editors can delete. If a comment reappears or actions fail, clear your browser cache or open the doc in an incognito window to rule out caching issues. If permissions are the problem, ask an editor to remove it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.